This video will explain how to use my.SMU.edu to send an email to your students to get a detailed roster of your class and also to get a photo roster of your class. After you log into my.SMU.edu, from the drop-down at the top, you will select Faculty Advisor homepage. Once there, click on Faculty Center, then click on Class Roster. Once you're in the class roster, scroll to the bottom and you will find the buttons that help you accomplish these functions. First, Notify All Students will allow you to send an email to all of your students at once. It will use the default email program on your computer, which in many cases will be Outlook. When you click on it, an email will pop up. The email will by default be sent to you and all of your students will be BCC'd. So the students will not see each other's email addresses in the resulting email. Change the subject if you wish and send an email. If you only wish to notify selected students, you will first select those students you wish to notify and then click Notify Selected Students. Then you will click Create Notification. It works the same, except only those students you selected should appear in the BCC field. To get detailed information on your students, click Import Class Roster. Once you press OK, wait a little while and you will receive an email to your SMU account with the detailed class roster information. The email will contain a .csv file that is typically opened by Excel, and that has additional information on all of your students. To get a photo roster of your students, which shows pictures of the students and additional information on them, click Import Photo Roster. It works the same as Import Class Roster in that you press OK, and within several seconds to a couple of minutes, you will receive an email that has the photo roster as an attachment. The photo roster is an Adobe Acrobat file, and it will have pictures, ID numbers, names, and programs for all of your students.